In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with some fancy and futuristic new software. I'm going to show you how huge marketers like Miles Beckler and Rachel Pedersen are making additional income every month by helping their audiences on social media with an application that's perfect for content creators like you. And I won't just show you one way, I'll show you 5 ways that you can earn some extra money with this software. First, let's take a step back for a moment and explain a skill that's really important if you're a content creator, business owner or entrepreneur, and it's called copywriting. So copywriting is written content that can be used to persuade and motivate people to take action, like click on a link, subscribe to your channel or buy this product if you think of advertising, TV, social media or blogs. Copywriting is how you write the titles and the headlines, the hooks that grab your attention, or even just the product descriptions that make you want to hit the buy button. Well, the good news is, although we still don't have Marty McFly style hoverboards,
he's on a hoverboard!
There are some advancements in technology that are worth shouting about, especially with artificial intelligence and deep learning. And it's an AI copywriting software that we're going to be looking at today, one by the name of Jarvis. So Jarvis is a fancy pants software that uses artificial intelligence to automate the copywriting process. It couldn't be easier. You use one of the many templates to enter some details, hit the button, and then it will automatically make some suggestions to what you should use for your copy. So if you can't afford to hire an experienced copywriter or you want to improve your own skills, then Jarvis is the perfect assistant for your written content needs. But how can Jarvis help make you money? Here are 5 ways that anyone can build an additional income stream using Jarvis. If you're new to my channel, then I'm a huge advocate of affiliate marketing. It can really help anyone create passive income streams just by recommending other people's products. I do cover this topic a lot, so if it's something that you want to learn more of, then hit subscribe. Affiliate marketing works like a referral scheme. You apply to the product company to be an affiliate, who will then give you a link to their website that's unique to you. You then share that link through your content, and if someone clicks on it and buys, then you'll make a commission. They know that you recommended that person because of that unique link. No one else has that, so it must be you that recommended them. It's a way that companies can build their customer base whilst affiliates take care of creating all the content. Now, Jarvis has got a really rewarding affiliate program. They pay you 30% of the subscription fee for as long as that person keeps the software active. So if you had 10 people use your link for Jarvis and they paid monthly rather than the annual discount, then you'd make $1 a month. Now you can imagine how much passive income those established marketers like Miles and Rachel are generating each and every month. And that's what we call a recurring affiliate product. But as this is a new product, there are plenty of people from all over the world that are doing the same. You don't have to be a huge name in the industry. Stay tuned to the end and I'll leave a bonus that helps you promote Jarvis even if you haven't got an established audience. Number 2 is a freelance writer. The gig economy is booming with many people quitting the 9-to-5 to become their own boss. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer are marketplaces to offer your skills. You can offer your services as a writer or even specialise in certain skills like product descriptions or ranking local businesses in Google. And Jarvis can help you here. By using automation software like Jarvis, you can produce high quality content in shorter time periods. So I know some agency owners who are cranking out content at 3-4 times the speed that they used to. More content, more money. The same applies to anyone with a blog or wanting to start one. By adding Jarvis to your workflow, you speed up the most important part of blogging, creating content. Yep, you heard me right. Fancy themes and logos are not what you need. It's essential that you turn your blog into a content producing machine, and Jarvis is great for this. On the higher packages, you can write freestyle into one document and just incorporate any of the skills and features that Jarvis has. Or on the cheaper package, you can move between the templates and work on your blog section by section. Both work. The more content that you produce, the more traffic you should hopefully generate, which means more eyes on your affiliate links, adverts, and even your own products if you've got any. Who knows, maybe you could even build a blog with a purpose of selling it. If you look at this site where people are still making good money flipping blogs, they can often reach 25 to 30 times their monthly profit. 4th on the list is a course creator. Now, you can look at this 2 ways. First, if you already create courses, then it can speed up your workflow and therefore produce courses faster and earn more money. Secondly, this is a fairly new market. Yes, it's growing fast and people are learning more about this software and other AI software, but really, anyone jumping in now is still an early adopter. Think about how Jarvis could help a specific group of people, such as home-based business owners, bloggers, YouTubers, and create courses that show them how this is a perfect tool for them. If you're worried that you couldn't create a course, then you absolutely can. You can even use sites like Skillshare where all you need to do is create the content and they do all of the marketing for you. Not only can you earn on the course, but you can also double up on those affiliate payments as people want to try Jarvis for themselves. And lastly, Jarvis is a really useful tool for YouTubers too. It's got templates to suggest headlines, questions, descriptions, but also can be used to improve your scripts. In the same way, you could also have an audience that could benefit from Jarvis, and they're sat there crying out for a few videos that showcase this tool in all of its glory. Maybe even a new channel completely with a specific focus on AI tools or copywriting. Doesn't matter if you're not an expert either. That's the beauty of YouTube. It's the perfect platform to share what you learn and people see that you're just like them and relate to you. There's lots of angles and options here and all of them will help you spread the Jarvis word, earn on advertising, affiliate links and who knows what else. Now I told you earlier that I would help you get started promoting Jarvis as an affiliate and here's 3 tips to get you going. Number 1, test Jarvis yourself. Jump into the Jarvis community. Try and identify all of the people that could benefit from a copywriting assistant. It's a huge potential audience of business owners, marketers, freelancers, bloggers, physical product sellers. Try and narrow down one audience and create content just for them. Number 2, focus on transformation. Look, Jarvis has got some amazing features and that's great, but tell your audience about the transformation it can bring, the results. Faster ways to create content, cheaper than outsourcing, written content that's got higher conversion rates. That's what they need to see. Number 3, eventually there's going to be lots of people promoting Jarvis and other AI tools, and I truly believe this company will be huge. So my biggest advice is get started today. Doing everything tomorrow doesn't pay the bills. Start today. And if you want more help with affiliate marketing, and I've left some training in the description from my own coach, this is a free training series, no money needed, tons of value. Otherwise, check out the next video on screen now that will maximize your impact and income as a content creator. I'll see you next time.